How to share your location on Snapchat with only one person. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can share your location on Snapchat with only one person without sharing it to others. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat application. You want to tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen, and once you do so, you want to open up the chat that you wish to send or share your location with. Now here you can see various options at the bottom. You can see send a chat option, you can see voice recording option, camera icon, emoji icon, gallery icon, and there you can see the plus icon at the right hand side. You want to simply tap on plus icon and you can see share live location or current location. You want to simply tap on it, and Snapchat wants to use your location. As you can see, simply tap on allow, and here what you want to do is you want to simply tap on share live location option, and you can choose it for always, 8 hours and 1 hour. And once you do so, you want to simply go ahead and allow the settings, and once you allow the settings, if we go ahead and here now I can tap on plus icon and share live location, and just for 1 hour your friend will be able to see your live location, and only this person will be able to see your location. So this way you can share your location on Snapchat with only one person. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.